Are you looking for the next best doorbell out there that goes perfectly along with all your other smart home products? Check it out. We have the wireless smart doorbell. Just like this, it's 100% solar powered, no need for electricity at all. You plug in the receiver into an outlet though, inside your home, and you are good to go. Easy to use, easy to install, very simple process. Has instructions, comes even with the screws that you need to put in to your home. So, best part about this though is you never have to worry about its moisture or anything like that ever getting into it. You don't have to worry about the weather. It's waterproof, it's heat proof, it's frozen proof. It can reach between negative 20 degrees Celsius and a high of 70 degrees Celsius. That's a negative 4 degrees below zero and another 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That's insane. Guys, totally recommend this product. It's super loud and you can customize it to whatever ability you want. It has 52 different ringtones to choose from. That's a lot of ringtones. I mean, all you have to do is someone press this button and the next thing you know, you have the best doorbell on the street. People are going to be coming from all over just to listen to your doorbell. Check it out, let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.
Hey, how's it going?